What's going on, guys? Good morning. Another day, another day. Well, not really, but so today we got some plans. It's day 2 of me vlogging, and it's a little, getaway, I guess you can call it. But as you guys can see, look at the outside, bro. It looks cloudy and it looks cold, but none of us have been outside today yet, so we don't really know. We're supposed to be going zip lining, and we're supposed to be getting on a, what is that thing called? A gongolo. A gondola. So this should be good content for you guys. we'll probably do a whole bunch of stuff today, but stay tuned for all that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some breakfast, and then we're just gonna go see what happens. So guys, this is what we're gonna be eating for breakfast. This is stromboli, leftover from last night's dinner. Kind of sad that I don't have the sauce for it, but it's all good though, because it's kind of like bread, and I put like pepperoni, ham, and cheese. She just went down the thing. I'm about to do the same thing right there. Don't go down that. So we just left a little coffee shop, bro. It's kind of cold out here, man. Now we're supposed to go to zip. Is it zip line or gongolo? We're about to go zip lining on a 45 degree weather, bro. So, but for the content, we will do that. And hopefully I capture it. It should be pretty cool. I got my GoPro so I can show you guys. But that's where we're headed right now. So I will see you guys once we get there.
Have fun.
And we are.
Yeah, we.
All right, put on that parking brake.
Damn, I got the parking brake, bro.
Turn around. Not a bad one.
Somebody else had it?
No.
I'm the only one? Dang.
He broke too hard. I almost broke too hard and didn't make it, but he grabbed me.
Oh, I didn't see that. I thought I was doing good. Bro, my braking system is too strong.
Yeah,
I'm trying to get the hang of it, but it's like, dang, I still don't get it.
You gotta read how much you need, like pressure.
No, on these longer ones, it's bound to happen to a few people. It just takes some getting used to.
Yeah.
How hard you need to brake, how soft. Yeah, it's better to come in not close enough than come in too fast.
Yeah. The view. Look at the view. Look at the trees. Look at the colorful leaves. What happened? Oh.
So how long do you think it'll take in seconds for this wave to go up and then all the way back? Just throw a guess out there.
3 seconds.
6 seconds.
10 seconds.
10,
Oh.
3.
Seconds, good guess, good guess. So that one.
That was me.
3 seconds.
Excuse me, it was me.
That one takes what, 10,
15? Yeah, so this one is gonna be just about 4 or 5 times longer. It's also gonna be our tightest cable. Any guess of this one?
Oh, so travel faster over a tighter one?
12 seconds.
12 seconds? 10?
10.
All right, let's see.
Yeah.
You did my math.
1, Mississippi, 2, Mississippi, 3, Mississippi, 4, Mississippi, 5, Mississippi, 6, Mississippi, 7.
Oh.
Yeah,
That
so
thing came back
the math
fast.
doesn't quite add up. I heard you say in the back, because it's tighter, it does go a bit faster. This is also our loosest cable, so that does make it go quite a bit slower.
We're entering a hemlock grove. You're like, I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't.
The tree, the type of tree.
Yeah, she knows. She
Yeah, she's
We
smart
from
though.
different parts.
Yeah,
You guys just don't listen. You said it earlier.
I really did too.
yeah, we.
Damn.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bad listener. I tried to be good though.
I just forget.
I just forget, yeah.
About things that matter. We're just
My memory's terrible.
appreciate you for listening.
Trees,
Have fun. Oh yeah, the paper.
Let's go. Let's go.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
You got that.
I figured out the trick, man. I had to at some point.
They were chatting on your name.
They were like, watch him get stuck like way back there, right?
Melody first said you was going too. Oh wait, Emily said you was going too fast.
I was.
I did
better than Emily.
I was.
That's the trick to go.
Yeah. Why? What you do?
I thought it was holding shit, but I guess I grabbed it and yanked my
Oh
shoulder.
no. What do you think of this zip line? So far.
It was really fun.
Yeah.
Max needs to learn how to brake.
I'm a professional breaker. They're coming in hot right now.
I got a little bit of hair left.
Hey, boom. What did you think of this course?
Fun, wasn't it?
I don't see on camera, but it was very nice. The views are very nice.
Just wish it was a little bit more sunnier.
And we missed peak fall foliage
It was
because
actually
of the storm.
Did you?
How I feel about it?
Yeah.
Where's the
This one was cool, right?
This is
Rocking with it.
Yeah.
But I like the
this.
bigger ones. Those first four were like,
Yeah, these are the best
what
ones.
you pay for.
Facts. This is nice right here.
Right. The sun's starting to come out.
Word. Look at the sun. You was asking for it.
There you go.
There.
Heard me.
Uh-huh. You ask and you shall receive.
Thank you.
I want a lot of money. I want a lot of money. I want a lot of money.
You heard it. You got a lot of money. It's like, what spell is that?
That's funny. Wepa. Strength. Yeah. There you go. Keep your legs straight. What?
She's gonna get confused.
Nah. I'm professional. Whoa. Where you going? Where you going?
Max is gonna get pulled in. He doesn't know what's happening, and I said,
What happened?
do it.
What are you trying to do?
Confused. Do it.
What are you
No,
doing?
I feel bad. I was gonna sit on your thing right
Oh, oh yeah, I probably would have flew right in. Let's get it, baby!
That was good.
That was better, right?
Yeah, that was good. Holding it down, you're not gonna
Hey, okay, good job.
There you go.
W brake system.
It's like getting in my eyes.
Yeah. No, I didn't like it. That was a little fast.
Let's hear brake system. How good it is. Oh,
Again?
that's pretty good. Oh, you nice.
Wow, wow.
You a pro.
Wow.
How many times have you done this?
7, 8 now.
Transfer!
Oh,
Bro,
a bird.
Bro, always see you from the back of it.
Should I get her content? Boom.
Whoa, what a pro.
That's it.
What a pro.
Legs straight. Mm-hmm. See ya.
Wow.
Woo! Alright, you guys, so we got to the next thing on the list, and it is, do you guys see, let me see, do you guys see those things, gongolo, bungalow, whatever they're called? That's literally what we're gonna be doing next. Is that the line for real?
Yeah.
Ain't no way.
Melanie, look at the line.
The line is crazy, but I mean, I think we're gonna get a really cool view once we get it in there, but the line just to go on it looks absolutely crazy, so I don't know. We're just gonna be sitting on the line for a long time, but I'm gonna show you guys pretty much everything, guys. You know, pretty packed day, eventful day. I'm honestly kind of sleepy, but we're still gonna do what we do, man. So let's do this. Yo, you guys, let me see if I can show you. Do you guys see that over there? That's all people, bro. That's just a whole bunch of people waiting in line to go onto the thing. So it's pretty cool looking. Look, you got all the mountains and all of that, which is kind of cool. But with that being said, yeah, man, let's go and make this line. And once we're inside, I'll pick the camera back up so I can kind of give you guys a really cool view of what we're seeing. So stay tuned and let's get it. We are in the gongolo. ¿Cómo se llama?
Gondola.
Gondola.
The sun is gone.
After an hour and something of wait time, we finally made it. Hold on, I want to show you. Look. Cause every time you cross, I get this feeling. I don't know how it goes.
Wait, say cheese.
Oh, flash. I think I closed my eyes.
To the clouds.
Oh, this thing is deep.
I retract
my previous statement.
That is high.
It's raining up here.
Is it really?
No way.
Yeah, look at
Oh, it is.
No, give me your hoodie.
I can't believe we're actually going in the car.
Can we take a break?
What do you mean a break?
Like pause me at right here and get down there and the stairs, and then walk down the stairs. Because every pole has a stairs. Just in case you get stuck, probably.
I can't do it.
Look, they're walking that way. Nah, it's cold up here, bro. It's brick up here.
Why are we going so high?
Oh, this
You go higher when you're skiing. You guys think this is high?
Oh,
When we go skiing or snowboarding, we go to the clouds.
Oh, nah,
No,
yeah. That's
I
tough.
know because I was supposed to go to something like that in Switzerland. Like,
Switzerland?
yeah. But it got
That'd be
canceled
dope.
that day.
You're trying to kill yourself? You know how big those mountains are in Switzerland?
Not to ski down. It's just to see the views.
Oh, I was
There's a
about
little
to
bridge that
say,
connects two
You're
mountains.
trying to snowboard in Switzerland. You got a death wish.
No.
Nah, this
People do
walk
ski.
is-
Yeah, no, but you gotta be nice.
Yeah.
You can't even walk
That
straight
snow's
down
different.
from the top
What's
though.
up,
That's
you
too
guys?
steep.
What's going on,
It's literally a
man?
mountainside.
Yeah, I think these people might be coming from the hike.
I don't know. They're doing something.
Yeah, because they're not coming from here. They're definitely going
Oh
around.
yeah. No, but it's probably a way to.
Yeah, to go around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, I'm waiting.
That's too long.
But look at the
You know,
view,
after a
though.
certain
look back there. Let me show you the view. Whoa, a little shaky. Look at it. I'm gonna show you the view real quick. Look. Damn. Look at the view, you guys. I'm risking my camera. Look at the view. Risking my camera for you right now. Yo, we really in the mountains right now, bro. Man,
We're in Twilight.
look at this. Literally in the freaking mountains, bro. And now we got this long ass, and it stopped, bro. Long ass line to go back. It's way too, oh, it's starting again. I think it's starting again. I don't got the shoes to be walking on these rocks, bro, but we are really off here for real. Like, this is crazy. And it's break up here, bro. It's like another 20, 25 degrees cooler up here than it was downstairs. So, I don't know what we're about to do. I guess we're either waiting on the line or we might walk it down. I don't want to though because that is crazy. But time to make this line, yeah. So we made it to this little view thing. And look at it.
If you don't mind, I'm just gonna walk to
All right.
that point.
Do your thing, bro. Look at this view. This is crazy. Oh, we gotta walk all the way back there. You can't even see the people anymore, but that's crazy. So guys, we're about to get some food now. We came here yet last night we tried, but it was like a crazy wait time, so we went somewhere else to eat. So this is like more known for like a little burger spot, so get some food here and then probably head home. And I don't know what else we're gonna do, but let's eat. Yo, look at this, yeah, bro. So I got a chicken burger or chicken sandwich, whatever. I added fries, pickles on top, mac and cheese. I be making some heat, bro. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm so hungry. I also got some more mac and cheese, some fries. Probably just got burgers and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. I'll catch you y'all later, my boy.
1 hour later.
So we're back at the crib after a very long day. I thought it was pretty successful. It was very nice. I'm super tired. I think we're gonna take a nap because we've just been outside all day. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go down below, subscribe, drop a like, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.